This video is about how to warm up your new emails. This video is mostly useful for freelancers, cold outreachers and agency founders like me. So just give me 5 seconds. I will tell you what is meant by warm up. If you have created a new email and if you are actually trying to send 500 to 1000 emails on first day of creating the email, the algorithm will recognize you as a scammer. That's why it will actually block you, or else it will land it into someone's spam. So that's why we use WarmUp in order to not to get blocked by the algorithm or to land our email into spam. So hey, this is Sohail and I am the founder of Prime GPT Agency. So first of all, you should have to open the Chrome or Brave. So basically I actually prefer Brave because it doesn't show any ads on the YouTube. And I am actually creating a new profile and click on add and just I'm naming my agency's name like
Prime GPT Agency. Okay, and I'm actually choosing the color like which I want.
So after that I am actually going for gmail.com. Okay, after logging in into the gmail.com, now you should have to create a new email. So basically I am going from scratch.
So I am actually creating a new account for my personal use or anything else.
So as you can see, I have created a new Gmail account and now I am actually going to warm up this email. Up to now everything was free. Now I am actually clicking a new tab, typing instantly.ai. The link will be in the pinned comment. Please go and click on the links. You should have to actually log in. So if you don't have an account, it actually says to sign up.
So I'm going to sign up and I'm filling up these details, and you should have to fill your own details.
Now remember these points very carefully. There are two important points here. The first point is the instantly.ai website is completely free for 14 days. So 14 days are enough for warming up our emails. And the second important thing is, in one instantly account you can add 2 emails. You can keep 2 emails for warming up. So as you can see, you should have to click on add new, click on Google and click on forwarding on POP blah blah blah, and it will actually redirect to this page. And you can see here there is a enable IMAP. You can save changes. Again go to the instantly.ai. So now you should have to click on yes, IMAP has been enabled, and now you should have to click on app passwords. Okay, when you click on app password, there will be like go to your account security settings and click on 2-step verification. You should have to turn on the 2-step verification. Okay, so click on security and click on 2-step verification turning on and get started and turn on the verification. And yeah, that's it. Create an app password. You should have to click here, and when you actually go here and select an app, and for email and for other, and you should have to do comment anything like I'm doing Prime GPT Agency and generate. Okay, that's all. Should have to copy this and should have to click on the instantly and come on the next, and should have to enter the email and should have to paste the password here, and should have to click on connect, and it will actually connect. You can see it has been connected, but still here is the most important thing. You should have to click on this enable warm-up. Okay, after clicking on it will actually turn it into green color. As you can see, it has been turned into green color. Now the email has been active. You should have to click on the settings and you should have to go to settings, and after that you should have to go down and there will be like 20 daily warm-up limit. You should have to keep like 40 here, and you should have to go up and it will be like save. You should have to save. Now your emails are actually warming up automatically for 14 days. So after 14 days you should have to start doing cold emailing. So as I said earlier, you can actually add 2 accounts in one email. So you should have to create one instantly account and you should have to add 2 emails. So I am adding a new email here, and I am now repeating the same process. If you want to see the process again, you can actually decrease the speed of the video like 0.25 and you can do anything. So if you have learned something from this video, please click on the subscribe button. Just beat on the subscribe button on your phone, on your laptop, on your PC or on your TV. That's it, signing off.